Retake.
Which the time would come, I'm hoping to buy above 20 properties. The stress which I had was related to market, not related to the service or level of management. Create a campaign against these service charges.
Well, thank you for your business for the second year running now.
Thank you.
I just wanted to help ourselves get our services in order and make sure that we're doing the right thing. I want to hear some honest feedback from yourself.
Of course.
So I'm going to ask you a few questions. Don't hold back. Be honest. And tell me how you feel about this. So how do you feel as an international investor leaving your investment in Dubai to us to manage?
In a simple word, being relieved.
Yeah?
In a way, peace of mind that I know I'm well looked after financially and my rent and the things is hitting my account, and I know my tenants are looked after as well.
Do you feel any stress related to the rentals of your units since you've been with us?
The stress which I had was related to market, not related to the service or level of management.
Fabulous. Okay. Would you trust us with more units if you were to invest further in Dubai?
No.
Oh, really? Retake.
So, of course, for future, I'm planning to buy more properties, as I said, downtown. Which the time will come, I'm hoping to buy above 20 properties, and then, of course, I know where to go.
Amazing. And how do you feel about our pricing? Do you think it's quite fair in today's market? Because obviously you must have done some homework prior to making an informed decision on who you might want to use.
The pricing of your services, I believe is quite good, reasonable. In comparison to the market and the service you provide is amazing.
Is there anything we can do better moving forward? Is there anything that we're missing?
Create a campaign against these service charges. These days now, equivalent of the money which remains in the balance of the landlords, they're taking for the service charges, more or less.
Yes.
It's ridiculous.
The prices are rising there for sure.
It has
the
to
rentals are going down. They have to have some sort of balance, is what you're saying.
Exactly, some sort of balance. I believe they should adjust the prices according to the services they provide. And this will take a lot of burden and pressure off the landlord.
Of the landlord, absolutely. Final question, would you recommend us to your friends and family?
Of course I do.
Thank you very much, Benjamin.
Thank you
and if you are interested in our property management services, then just click the link below and we'll get back to you.
Thank you again.
All right.
Thank you.